So this morning we were called out to this job site because the system's not working. You turn the system on manually and everything looks like it's watering, but yet out in the yard the sprinkler system's not popping up on those particular zones, on any of the zones. So it seems like everything should be on, but nothing is on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to check the resistance on all of the solenoids and check and make sure that it's good or bad. And so this system has a master valve which we will test that zone, and the reading is reading below the proper reading. You should be getting between 20 and 60 ohms on your filled solenoids, and this master valve is reading 0.72. You go to zone 1 and you're getting a good reading. All of the zones are measuring properly. So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go locate the master valve and be able to check that solenoid. The solenoid may be good, it just has a bad connection, but we will go locate that and see what the problem is with that master valve solenoid. And so, as in some of our previous videos, I've shown different things that are within this area. This here is going to be a shutoff for your house water. This here is your backflow. We've talked about that in a previous video. If you want to go back and look at that, that explains what the backflow is and how to shut your water off. But that noise right there is very critical in trying to locate your backflow when you need to turn your water off in an emergency situation. So then we're going to stab around here and we're going to try to find the master valve, which is going to be controlling the whole system. And that's it right there. So we're going to peel that grass away. Once you peel that grass away, you'll be able to open that lid, and down in that valve box is the master valve to this system. And we're going to pull the wires out. Grab our voltmeter here. I'm going to take these grease caps off. Keep everything there so we'll know where to find them. And looks like the connection is good. We're going to measure this to make sure that if it's good or bad. And so we'll take these two wires here, the two solenoid wires, and that solenoid is measuring 0.3, so that solenoid is bad. So we'll get a new Rainbird solenoid and we will change out that solenoid and check the system. So since we're going to be opening up the main line, water will be running everywhere, so we're going to shut the system off at the backflow. And again, we've shown this on other videos. And so we'll just turn the water off here, making one of those shutoffs vertical. That's it. Remove this old solenoid, and then we'll put a new one in. Standard Rainbird solenoid. And then we'll strip these wires back to do the new connection. And so now that we've replaced the master valve solenoid, we'll come back here, verify that we've got a good reading on the master valve solenoid. And a while ago it was measuring 0.3, and now we're measuring correctly at 44.5. And so that's how we repair that system.